Okay, now students, I am going to explain you the next topic of 7C exercise, that is the characteristics of sounds and their subjective and objective nature. First of all, what are the characteristics of sound? First characteristics is loudness, which depend upon the amplitude. Second one is pitch or shrillness, which depend upon the frequency. And third one is quality or timbre, which depend upon the quality. So in detail we will discuss later. First of all, loudness. Students, in the gurdwara, in the church or in the mosque, you have seen amplifier, and in the marriage palace also, or in some functions also, you have seen the amplifier. Lights are moving up and down, that is called as CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope. Okay, so lights are going up, and you know that in the gurdwara or in the mosque or in the church, near the speaker, near the mic, if you just slowly, if you bring touch, then CRO one light only will blow, and if hardly you press or touch that mic, then 2 or 3 lights will go up. What is that? That is amplitude. So loudness is depend upon the amplitude. Loudness is the characteristics of virtue of a loud sound, can be distinguished from a faint one. छोटी साउंड से बड़ी साउंड को हम डिस्टिंग्विश करना हो तो हमें लाउडनेस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. सो फीबल साउंड मीन्स सॉफ्ट साउंड. कहता है टर्निंग फॉक ले लो, स्ट्राइक करो उसको सॉफ्टली नियर द CRO, and you will see that bring it near the microphone, only 1 light or 2 light will blow. And if you hardly hit that turning fork and bring near the CRO, then 2-3 mic near the mic, 2-3 or 4 lights can blow. That means amplitude. Slowly small amplitude will be there. If you hardly press, then large amplitude will be there. So loudness of sound depend upon the amplitude and intensity. In the previous chapter topic also we have discussed about the intensity. Intensity means energy which is produced by the light. I will give you example. You are having one torch of 100 rupees, another torch of 1000 rupees, which will have a more light. You can say the 1000 rupees torch will have a more light. Why? The 1000 rupees torch, the particles having a more intensity which can go at a far distance. So intensity is a sound wave at a point. उस point की sound wave होती है of the medium is the amount of sound energy. कितनी sound energy की और कितनी light energy की amount जो है pass कर रही है per second normally to the unit area of that point, and its SI unit is very important. SI unit of intensity is watt per meter square. Watt per meter square. So the how much intensity of our ears can audible, कितनी इंटेंसिटी हमारे साउंड कान जो है सुन सकते हैं, दैट इज 10⁻⁻12 watt meter inverse square. ओके, कैन हियर आवर साउंड. ओके, ग्रेटर द एनर्जी कैरिड साउंड, जितनी ज़्यादा एनर्जी होगी उतनी ज़्यादा क्या होगी, इंटेंसिटी होगी. सो intensity can depend upon the 3 factor, main major factor. First one is square of the amplitude of the vibration, second one is square of the frequency, third one is density of air, and fourth one is the velocity of sound in air. Is the loudness subjective or objective? दिस इज 2 points आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एक होता है सब्जेक्टिव, एक होता है ऑब्जेक्टिव. सब्जेक्टिव वो होता है जिसको हम जस्ट गेस कर सकते हो, जायजा लगा सकते हैं. ऑब्जेक्टिव वो होता है जिसको हम मेशर कर सकते हो. जो चीज़ मेशरेबल हो वो ऑब्जेक्टिव होती है, जो जस्ट गेस आइडिया वो क्या होती है, सब्जेक्टिव. लाउडनेस, कितना कोई ऊंचा बोल रहा है वो हमें कहाँ से पता है, हम तो बता सकते हैं बहुत ऊंचा बोल रहा है, कितना बोल रहा है, जस्ट ए सब्जेक्टिव. इंटेंसिटी मीन्स कितनी एनर्जी पर मीटर मिनट के हिसाब से और पर सेकंड के हिसाब से उसके थ्रॉट से बाहर निकल रही है, दैट इज़ intensity. So intensity is a objective, whereas loudness is a subjective in nature. So sometimes they may ask. So what are the factors? First one is loudness is the proportional to the square of the amplitude. When a body vibrates with a great amplitude, it sends a more energy at a fourth greater amount of energy, and hence energy received by eardrum is large. So loudness is square of the amplitude. Second one, loudness varies inversely to the square of the distance of the source. जितनी हम दूर जाएंगे उतनी आवाज़ जो है कम आएगी, जितना पास आएंगे उतनी आवाज़ जो है ज़्यादा बनेगी. ओके, सो दैट मीन क्लोजर द सोर्स लाउडर द साउंड, फार द सोर्स lesser the sound. Next one, we are having a loudness depend upon the surface area of the vibrating body. In the students, in the assembly we are putting a two drums. One is small drum and one is big drum. Big drum produce a more sound, whereas small drum produce a less sound. So big drum having a large surface area, vibrating surface area, so it produce a more amplitude, having a more loudness. Next one, we are having a depend upon the density of the medium. More the density, more is the loudness of the loudness. Loudness depend upon the presence of resonant body. जितनी resonance body पास में पड़ी होंगी उतनी ही ज़्यादा जो है loudness increase होगी. So what is the relationship between the loudness and intensity? Loudness is not same as intensity. Make sure that loudness intensity के बराबर नहीं है. Intensity measurable है, loudness sensation है. Okay, so L is equal to K, that is constant, log 10 I. Okay, so what is the, this is important, what is the SI unit of loudness? Loudness SI unit is Fon, or and loudness is decibel also. So loudness, the unit of loudness is Fon. Okay, it is expressed in decibel. Main unit is Fon, but we can express in decibel or dB. Okay, so no need to express this one because this is not much important. Okay, then here noise pollution. You know that always teachers are asking don't make a noise. Why? Because it is disturbing the environment or disturbing the others also. Okay, so then at that time what will be the, how much decibel sound we are having? More than 120 decibel sound can cause a headache or permanent damage of the ears. That is noise pollution. What is the safe limit of the hearing sound? Safe limit, very 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 important question. Safe limit कितनी होती है hearing sound की? 0 decibel से लेके 0 is very very important. Okay, the lowest hearing limit of ear is 0 decibel to the highest is 80 decibel. Okay, so loudness level 30 to 10 decibel is a soothing sensation, मिठी सी sound जिसको हम बोलते हैं. While source 0 decibel is lower limit of hearing, बहुत कम sound. Okay, so here this note is very important. The limit of hearing should not be confused with the limit of audibility. Hearing अलग है, audibility अलग है. Limit of audibility refer to the, जो audibility होती है, audibility को refer करेंगे हम हमेशा hertz में. Okay, audibility को, तो जो hearing है वो डेसिबल किस में रेफर करेंगे? डेसिबल में. जो audibility है वो स्टार्ट होती है, audible sound कितनी होती है? 20 हर्ट्ज टू 20 किलो हर्ट्ज और 20,000 हर्ट्ज. audibility कहाँ से शुरू होती है? 0 डेसिबल से 80 डेसिबल तक. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ pitch or depend upon the frequency. Students, in the on the amplifier 3 switches are there. One is bass and treble is there. We can increase the bass or treble, what type of difference we will get. So if this, make sure that underline this, if the pitch is high, अगर pitch को increase करना है तो sound क्या होगी? shrill, तीखी सी sound होगी. If the pitch is low, the sound will be flat, थोड़ी heavy sound होगी. If bass and treble ruffle, अगर बास को इंक्रीज किया दैट मीन पिच को हाई किया, साउंड क्या मिलेगी? श्रिल. अगर बास को स्लो करोगे और ट्रिबल को इंक्रीज करोगे तो साउंड कैसी मिलेगी? फ्लैट. ओके, सो टू द लो एंड हाई pitch respectively. Okay, then what type of graph we will get? These two graphs are very important. So low pitch note is we will get one oscillation only, and the high pitch we will get 2-3 oscillation with the same area. Okay, then examples of change in pitch is there. We can produce the note of different pitch in changing the thickness and tension of the string. Okay, so a high pitch can obtain by vibrating of string under the high tension and vibrating of a thinner string. Okay, then is the pitch subjective or objective? Pitch can be sensation, so pitch is a subjective. Frequency can be measurable, so frequency is a objective in nature. And last topic we are having quality or timbre guys. You know that what is quality? Quality is the sound characteristics which distinguish two sounds of the same loudness or same pitch. दो सिंगर अगर गाना बोल रहे हो, एक की आवाज़ आपको पसंद होगी, दूसरे की आवाज़ पसंद नहीं होगी. क्यों? क्वालिटी में चेंज होगा. सेम लाउडनेस है, सेम पिच है, बट अमिटेड बाय टू डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ चेंज ऑफ देयर वेव्स फॉर्म. सो क्वालिटी किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है? वेव के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. ओके, सो क्वालिटी ऑफ म्यूजिकल साउंड ऑन द वेव. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वेव? दिस इज साइन वेव एंड अनदर वन इज ए ट्रायंगुलर वेव. Sine wave is a similar wave. Triangular wave is a shrill wave which gives a shrill sounds. Okay, so the quality of musical sound depend upon the wave form. So then what type of principal fundamental? Low frequency, maximum amplitude. अगर low frequency हो, maximum amplitude हो, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Principal vibration. अगर integer multiple like this, integer multiple of waves मिले, that mean we are getting a subsidiary vibration. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Subsidiary vibration. Then the subsidiary vibration are of small amplitude. जो subsidiary vibrations होती हैं उसमें small amplitude होती हैं. Okay, by the superposition of the vibrating. You know that when your friends are calling you and you have not saved the number and from the voice only you can recognize the person that this person is calling me. So that means how can? Because of the vocal cord of each person having a characteristics of wave which form the different person. So one can distinguish, we can distinguish or we can recognize the sound of two musical or a person because of the different waves. So what is the how can we recognize the person or source of two sounds of the same quality? From the wave forms. So students, try to read this topic and clear the doubts. Okay, so these numericals are very important. Read the solved numericals and try to solve the exercise. Thank you.